Hi everyone, this is Eldad Amara and this is my channel Eyes Wide Shut. In the UK, we're becoming more and more of a repressive regime, becoming more and more of a totalitarian society. Free speech is slowly being taken away from us and the right to go out and protest. Now, they're talking about bringing out another law, okay? If you want to call it a law. They're talking about having no trial by jury. That's right, no trial by jury in the UK. There's a Magna Carta, right? And it's 810 years old. 810 years old. They're going to get rid of that, okay? Under this new government, this new Labour Party. Listen to this. David Lamley, date of birth, the 19th of July 1972, is a British politician who served as a Deputy Prime Minister for the UK, also Secretary of State for Justice and Lord Chancellor since and he's been Chancellor since September 1975, age 53 years old. The Magna Carta is a royal charter of rights sealed by King John of England in 1215, 110 years old, that established the principle that no one, including the king, is above the law. Do you hear me? No one, including the king, is above the law. But now they're talking about having a court system will be just a judge, and he'll be trying people, not a jury. Did you hear me? The judge, he'll be trying people. It'll be the judge who'll be trying people, and not a jury. How are we supposed to protect our democracy against abuse if we're just going to have just one person sat there as a judge, right, resigning his power and his judgment over everyone else? How is this going to be fair? Let me tell you, if this happens, if this comes in, man, kiss goodbye to our freedoms for good. And how do we know that it's even going to be a judge? How do we know like it's not going to be some bot that's going to be sitting in the place of a judge in the future? How do we know that? These machines will be insensitive. They have no feelings. They have no emotions. Yeah? What if it's a bot that comes in the place of a proper judge? Right? The reason why Lamley's thinking of bringing this thing in is because right now at present there's 80,000 untried cases, right? A backlog of 80,000 untried cases waiting there to be tried in the last quarter of this year. 80,000, that's a hell of a lot. But you're going to give up our justice for that, right? You're going to give up our justice for that? Lamley said when he was in opposition, yeah, because he's in the Labour government, he said in opposition to the Conservatives that our justice should be protected, and now he's going back against that. In actual fact, quite a lot of the policies that the Labour Party said they were going to bring in, they've gone back on them. They've gone back on them. This is a dangerous thing, man. Trial, no trial by jury. The only trial by jury they're thinking of having is if it's a serious offence like murder, homicide, or rape. Then it'll be trial by jury. Other than that, it'll be trial by just one person, a judge. And we don't even know if it's even going to be a human being yet, because we're moving closer and closer and closer towards this digital system which they want to try and bring in place. This is the World Economic Forum and the UN, United Nations. People, you need to have your eyes wide open, because right now Many of you got your eyes wide shut. Open up your eyes, people, and start pushing back, because your freedoms will be gone forever.